I was right about this trade, but still lost $283. If you've ever been right, but still ended the day in the red, you will know exactly how frustrating this is. Here's what happened. Here's the big picture. Early in the week, we expanded aggressively through the initial draw on liquidity at the converging new week opening gaps. Not that I was anticipating a low of week to form here, but eventually I did want to see price move higher. I took longs on Wednesday and Thursday, but both failed as price continued to consolidate around the formation of that low of week before taking off Friday. This is a classic example of a loss being a premium for new information. Looking back, the problem really wasn't my directional bias, it's my failure to adapt my weekly analysis to the new low of week. I really just was looking for that draw on liquidity and I wanted to update my analysis further, but I didn't do that. So into next week, what I'm going to be waiting on is confirmation rather than anticipation. I don't mind taking turtle soup longs and shorts. It's the confirmation that I need. I need intermarket confirmation, market sentiment confirmation. We didn't have any crazy swings of sentiment that would influence a decision for a long position. It was more of a, I know the low is going to form here, so I'm going to enter and learn the hard way. Patience is a part of profit. The loss here would be the information needed to not take this position here and wait for Friday. Classic seek and destroy, bullish Friday, weekly market profile. And I just didn't want to see it here. I just wanted to take the long because I knew I had to be right. That's not how it works. So we made some mistakes this week, that's for sure. I'm going to keep sharing them openly because this is what trading is like. You take some wins, you take some losses. This is complete transparency. If I was a trader and I stumbled upon this channel, I would greatly appreciate the content I was making. And that's what I strive to do. Content that traders are going to connect with. I'm not looking for pity. I just make mistakes and I would like to share them. This is the end of the world for me. I know that these losses here, I'm going to learn from them and I'm going to apply the lessons that I've learned into next week. I know how to trade. It just sucks that I made a human mistake, you know? If you've been in a spot like this, you can drop a comment down below. And if you want to see how I apply these lessons next week, consider subscribing. I'll see you next week.